Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iman. I hope you are all doing well. I posted a video the other day where I mentioned a couple of skincare products and it made me realize that I need to do a skincare video, not because I haven't done one. I've done a gazillion. Something happened over COVID, over quarantine, where I just focused in on skin so much more than makeup. I'm sure you guys can relate. And honestly, can I just say, my skin has been looking and feeling so good lately. And it is because these products and these steps that I've been doing. These aren't just random things that I picked. These are products that I've truly been testing and trying and playing with for a while now. And I totally believe in them. So let's get into the skincare video. Watch till the end. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know. I'm actually super excited about this video today because I feel like I'm going to show you guys some game changer products. Like my skincare routine, I've upped my skincare routine so much in the last little while. I think because COVID just made us so much more focused on skin rather than makeup. It's just made me a lot more aware of certain skin products that are really work and you see the difference right away. I have makeup on and I did that on purpose because I wanted to show you guys a couple of ways that I love taking my makeup off. You guys know that I always double cleanse. So I usually do an oil cleanser. I, however, ran out of all of my oil cleansers, which is really annoying, but I do have oil balms. So cleansing balms, same concept, but instead of it being just like a liquidy form, this is in a balm form. So this one from Clinique, I love this one. It's one of my favorites. It's the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And I'm going to show you guys how to use that really quick. But a great drugstore alternative that works just as well is this one from Neutrogena. It is the Makeup Remover Melting Balm. So you guys could see they're pretty much exactly the same thing. The textures are very similar. Okay, so the concept for this, if you have makeup on or even if you don't, honestly, you guys, I always double cleanse regardless whether I have makeup on or not. I feel like just with like pollution and there's always some kind of residue on your skin. So I'm taking a little bit of that balm and then basically you work it into your hands. And as you work it into your hands, you'll see that it becomes kind of like an oil. So it's the same concept of a cleansing oil. You just have to break it down. And then you just work this into your skin. It will take everything off. So you guys are going to see I had some mascara on, I had concealer. The best thing about this is that it's super gentle on your skin. So you're not using like a harsh makeup wipe or anything that's going to be rough on your skin is never good. So this is a really nice, gentle way of taking all your makeup off, like every single trace of makeup. And the great thing about this too is that you can work this into your eyes. So if you have eye makeup, this will definitely take it off. So once you work that all in and you're ready to rinse off, I like to always rinse off with warm water. But since I am all about double cleansing, I've talked about this before, my face halo, I'll wet this and I'll use this when I'm rinsing off. So it literally just takes everything off your skin. So I don't have any water here, so I'm gonna go do that in the sink and I'll be right back. One little thing I wanted to note, when I'm drying my skin, I try not to really dry it. So I noticed that I very rarely like take the towel and just like really dry my face. I like to keep my skin a little bit damp and then just use the next product. So next up is cleanser. I'm gonna list for you guys below in my description box my past skincare videos. Even though I am showing you guys a lot of new products today that are amazing, I've also been using very similar products for years and years and years because they just work. If something works, don't fix it, right? But every once in a while, I discover new things. So I just keep adding to the list. Just because I'm adding, it doesn't mean the older products aren't amazing as well, like this cleanser. So I have two cleansers that I want to show you guys today. The first one is the Dermalogica Dermal Clay Cleanser. I've talked about this many times in many videos. So I'm not going to tell you much about it today. I will tell you though, if you are experiencing acne breakouts, I love this cleanser for that. I use that pretty often, but if I use it too much, sometimes I feel like it dries out my skin a little bit too much. So I discovered a new cleanser that I absolutely love, and it's so nice on the skin, works on all skin types. It is from Tatcha. It is the Rice Wash Cleanser. Now with this, you guys, it has they have completely different textures, and it's also really important to kind of see what your skin needs. So if I use this one too much, my skin does get dry, but I can use this one every single day and my skin won't get dry. So depends on what your skin needs. So this is a soft cream cleanser for normal to dry skin, so it works on all skin types. It has hyaluronic acid, and it's amazing for hydration as well as it cleanses. So I'll show you guys the texture. It looks like that. I always like to damp my skin a little bit before I apply the product. And then you're just gonna work this in circular motions. This is a rice cleanser. It has the tiniest little beads in it. Like, I think they're so small that I'm not even sure if it really has beads in it or not. But you definitely feel like your skin is exfoliated a little bit when you use this. But again, it's gentle enough to use every day. I discovered Tatcha last year. Their skincare is amazing, you guys. Like, probably some of the best skincare I've used. And the more you work this in, the more it builds up. This gives like a really nice polish to your skin. So after you use this cleanser, your skin just looks glowing. Whenever I'm doing my skincare, I always do my neck as well. And I really just like to work everything in circular motions. Time to rinse this off. I'm gonna go to the sink. I'll be right back. Again, if you wanna use your face halo to make sure that you get all the product off, I definitely recommend it because it just literally takes everything. So BRB, my skin is already feeling so much better. Okay, next up, you guys, is one of my current favorite exfoliating products. So again, if you guys watch my other skincare videos, you know that I really love the Kate Somerville Extradicate. I think that's what it's called. But this one from Goop Beauty has been my go-to. It is the Goop Glow Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. When I use this, you guys, my skin is like porcelain. It's so nice. So it looks like this. It is a microderm exfoliator, so tiny little beads. It really is working into your skin and just removes all of those dead skin cells. I discovered Goop Beauty not too long ago. I didn't really know much about the brand. When I first got it, I was super interested because they had a lot of really kind of unique products, and almost everything I've used from them I've really liked, but this exfoliator is definitely my favorite. So when you're using an exfoliator like this, you really do need to be gentle. So I'm not like rubbing it super hard into my skin. I'm just being very gentle. The product is doing all the work. I'm just massaging it because you definitely don't want to irritate your skin. That's really important. One thing I want to note is all the products that I'm showing you guys today, they work on all skin types. So regardless if you are dry, oily, combo, all of these products will work. And then once you feel that you've really worked it in, you just rinse off. Are you guys seeing the difference? Next is a brand new product. I've never talked about this product before. Well, actually that's not true. I talked about it in my last tutorial that I posted last Sunday, and I mentioned how I've been using it, and it's literally has been amazing for my skin. And when I went and read up on it, it had so many good reviews. And it is from Ren Skincare. This is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So if you guys don't know Ren Skincare, this is a clean skincare brand. I'm absolutely falling in love with their products. I'm a huge fan. I just started using it recently, but this tonic, this glow tonic, is next level, you guys. There's one product from all of this that I really recommend. Get this one. You're gonna apply it after your face is cleansed. I always use my Shiseido facial cotton. This is another product that I've been using probably for like 20 years or something, or 10 years or something. I don't even know. They're just the nicest cotton pads. Just soak your cotton pad and then sweep this all over your face. This is going to gently exfoliate your skin. This helps with cell renewal, so your skin just looks bright and glowing. I don't know how it does it, but it works, I tell you. For brighter, more radiant skin, absolutely. And it says sweep clean over your entire face, avoiding the eye area. And then it says to use nightly before moisturizer. So I usually do use this just at nighttime. I don't usually do it during the day. If I, by any chance, have any makeup left at all, which would be rare, it would come up on here. This just gives the most gorgeous glow to your skin, you guys. I'm gonna let that sink into my skin and really absorb before I move on to the next step. While I kind of wait in between steps, I like to do a couple things. I always kind of like to brush up my brows, and I have, I didn't bring it. I have to show it in another video, but I have this Ardell castor oil that I work into my brows and my lashes. It works so good. If you want just slightly fuller lashes or brows, I just sweep it in, and I've noticed it makes a big difference. So I usually do that. By the time I'm done that, I feel like the product has worked in. Next up, you guys, is another product that I'm very excited to share with you because I've literally gone through the entire bottle. That is rare for me to the point that I broke the top. I literally Don't even ask me how that happened. But this is the Elizabeth Arden Provage Anti-Aging Daily Serum 2.0. So this is a serum. You're going to use this after your cleanser, after your toner, before your moisturizer. It's never too early to start using anti-aging products. People always tell me I look so young, and it's because I use anti-aging products, you guys. That is the key, I'm telling you. So I just work this all over my face, on my neck. You could always do your décolletage. This just gives, again, the most beautiful glow to your skin. So I've been using this for over a month, and I've already noticed such a huge difference in my skin. So you guys can see I have a little bit of redness here. That's totally fine. I sometimes get that from the tonic, but it goes away. That's why I like using it at nighttime as well. Okay. Next is eye cream. So while all of this is fully sinking into my skin, you guys, I usually go in and do a little bit of eye cream. This is my favorite, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Supercharged Complex. I love this stuff so much that it's pretty much, I think it's finished. Oh boy, there's like literally nothing left, but I'm gonna try to scrape a little bit out of it. Okay, I was able to get a little bit. Great thing about eye cream, you don't need a lot. You're just going to use a little bit anyways. And the reason I love this one in particular, because the texture is more like a gel rather than a cream. And I find for me, gels work a lot better. When you're applying your eye cream, you kind of want to work it in, starting inwards, going outwards. Same thing from the top. Okay, while that is all sinking into my skin, you guys, one other thing I like to do is I always do a lip conditioner. I literally don't go a day without using lip conditioner, and I've been told I have very soft lips, so it works. This is the one that I'm currently using and loving. It is from Fresh. It is the Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. This stuff seriously makes your lips feel so smooth and just feels so nice on. This is called Petal Soft Lip Cream, but it should be called Pillowy Soft because it's a really, like, the texture is so nice. Last step, you guys, it is moisturizer. I have a couple that I want to point out. Active Moist from Dermalogica. This has been one of my staple moisturizers for years. This is like that perfect moisturizer for every day. If you are dry, oily, normal, it works on everyone. This is a staple. But I have two new ones that I am obsessed with because they're very different. The first one is from Peach and Lily. This is their Glass Skin Water Gel Moisturizer. This has hyaluronic acid, kiwi extract, and peach extract. This has a gel texture to it. I love using this moisturizer for daytime. It makes your skin feel so hydrated. So it looks like that. Wow, it's like your skin is drinking a glass of water. That's seriously what it feels like. So I love using this for daytime. I feel like this is a little bit too light for a nighttime moisturizer. Sometimes, you know, depending on your skin type, of course, but I personally really love using this for day. It works amazing under makeup. And if you're not wearing makeup, even better, because this honestly just makes your skin glow. Always do your neck. Don't forget about that. I like to kind of take it on my hand too, whatever's left over. Okay, so you guys could see when I do this full skincare routine, I do not want to put makeup on because my skin feels so clean and refreshed. And this moisturizer is an absolute favorite. And then for nighttime, I have another moisturizer that I absolutely love. Also discovered this more recently. It is from Bare Minerals. This is their Ageless Phytoretinol Face Cream. This is part of a new collection that they came out with. It's all vegan, clean, cruelty-free skincare. Love, love, love that from Bare Minerals. This is definitely a more richer, very different texture than the Peach and Lily. So you guys could see like this is more of a cream moisturizer. So I personally like using this more at nighttime for that reason. But of course, if you're more dry, you could always use it for day and night, whatever works for you. A little bit goes a long way with this moisturizer. So this collection has a moisturizer, it has a cream that's specifically a neck cream. It also has an eye cream, so it's a full collection from this line. I swear, follow these steps, you guys, and your skin will look unreal. So keep in mind, I did a lot today. If you have a little bit more sensitive skin, you don't need to do all of these steps in one go, especially the AHA tonic and that exfoliator that I used. You guys saw how red my skin got, and I don't really have sensitive skin. So if you do have more sensitive skin, you want to be careful. You don't need to use all the products in one go. And that's it. That is our last final step. Let's do a little before and after. The glow is definitely there, you guys. I am telling you, if you try out some of these products, some of these steps, I'm sure you'll see a difference in your skin. Of course, if you have specific things that you're dealing with, for example, if you're dealing with acne or if you're dealing with rosacea or anything like that, please do keep that in mind. That means you might need to switch up some of the things I mentioned today or some of the products. But for just general skincare, these are products that I've noticed have been making a huge difference. I'm loving the way my skin looks, my skin feels. I don't want to put makeup on, you guys. You know me, I love to put makeup on, so that's kind of a big deal. I'm going to list all the products for you guys down below. And if you guys have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hit that subscribe button. Add me on Instagram at Iman, and on TikTok at Iman Makeup, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.